Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yummy desserts. We'll start by understanding the fundamental building blocks of any great sweet treat. Knowing how sugar, flour, and fat interact is key. Mastering basic techniques, like creaming 1 cup of butter with 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy, will elevate your baking. Remember, precision in measuring every ingredient, down to a half teaspoon of salt, ensures your desserts turn out perfectly every time. Let's bake some classic chocolate chip cookies. First, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup each of granulated and brown sugar. Then, beat in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Gradually mix in 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Finally, fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. Drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Delicious! Next, let's create a delightful fruit crumble. Start by mixing 4 cups of your favorite berries with a half cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch for the filling. For the irresistible topping, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, a half cup of flour, a half cup of brown sugar, and a half cup of cold, cubed butter until crumbly. Sprinkle this mixture over your fruit in an 8 by 8 inch dish. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes until bubbly and golden brown. Enjoy! To ensure your desserts are always a success, remember a few key tips. Always preheat your oven. This is crucial for consistent results. Avoid overmixing your batter, as it can develop too much gluten, leading to a tough texture. Allow your creations to cool completely before serving. This lets flavors meld and textures set. Finally, enhance your presentation with simple garnishes like a few fresh berries or a light dusting of powdered sugar. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.